You may or may not know this, but there are folks out there pulling in six figures, even seven figures a year, just selling ebooks. I've personally thanked almost 400,000 for just one of my ebooks I've put out, and over seven figures total from all the ebooks I've sold through the years. And I'm definitely not the only one. People have been packaging their knowledge into ebooks and selling them online since as early as 2007. And guess what? Ebooks still sell successfully to this day. So in today's video, I want to share with you how you can come up with your very own profitable ebook idea, how you can create it in like 10 minutes to earn around $481 a week or more, just like I have, and different ways you can sell your ebook online for some sweet passive income. So let's dive in. Okay, so in order to whip up your very own ebook in about 10 minutes, the first thing you're going to need is your ebook idea. And not only did I title this video about creating your ebook in 10 minutes, but I know it's totally possible. I've done it personally many times, and I want to challenge you to actually get your ebook done in that time frame as well. Seriously, if you can knock it out today, great. Otherwise, carve out an hour or two in the next week and just get it done so you can start selling it. Now, let's talk about the topic for your ebook or your niche if you want to get fancy. Where most people go wrong is they think an ebook is like an actual book, like a novel, a story, or a 300-page commitment. No, that's not what an ebook is in this context. An ebook is a digital educational book in the form of a PDF file. My ebook that pulled in almost $400,000 in revenue, it wasn't a super long book. In fact, it was only about 40 pages. I made it back then in Canva, but today I use designer.io and export it as a PDF. Are you ready to create stunning ebooks and reports? Then look no further. Meet Designer, your all-in-one content creation powerhouse. Using Designer, you can turn your ideas into beautiful, professional ebooks and reports effortlessly. Easily import content, customize with their user-friendly editor, and choose from a wide variety of stunning templates. But here's the game changer, the AI feature, Word Genie. Word Genie uses artificial intelligence to create digital informational products in seconds. All you have to do is just provide a topic and it magically generates content for you. I love Designer because it's your content, your way. Get started now. So yeah, we're not talking about storytelling or fiction or long novels here. What we're talking about is giving people knowledge that'll help them overcome a problem, all wrapped up in a PDF file. So here are some examples of some ebooks I've made. The one that did almost $400K in revenue, that one was called 7 Steps to Quit Your Job This Year Selling Digital Products. And the reason it sold so much wasn't necessarily because it was an ebook. Any digital product can sell, and ebooks are a fantastic way to get started. But the reason it sold, it helped someone overcome a very painful problem. Think about my journey, right? Before all this digital product stuff, I was at rock bottom. I lost my job, lost the house, ended up homeless with my family. I was desperate for a way out, so I tried a bunch of things online from drop shipping, Amazon, Forex, and I failed at them all. I wasn't an expert in anything, but what I did know was how to hustle and how to figure things out for myself. My biggest breakthroughs came from just sharing the stuff I was learning as I went. And I wasn't a guru. I was just someone who found a way and then showed others how I did it. The 7 Steps to Quit Your Job This Year Selling Digital Products ebook I mentioned, that thing brought in $94,000 in just 4 days when I was on TikTok. And it wasn't some grand, all crazy guide to online business. It was just an ebook that just taught one specific thing that worked for me based on a problem I knew a lot of people were facing. So that's exactly what I need you to think about as well, because you don't want to think about just what you think is fun to create or what you think people will buy. You want to actually talk to your ideal client and really truly get down to the bottom of what is the problem they're needing solved. What is painful for them right now? And the more painful the problem you can solve, not only the more money you can charge, but the more ebooks you're going to sell. Because here's the cool thing with my 7 Steps to Quit Your Job This Year Selling Digital Products ebook. I never ran ads to it. I never really even advertised it that much. The reason it sold is because it worked. And so what happened was people would buy it, they would use it, and they'd be like, oh my gosh, I literally fixed this problem because of this 40-something odd page ebook. And they would post it on social media and tell other people about it. And that word of mouth helped me sell this ebook. Now, there's a lot of other ways to market an ebook other than just word of mouth. But if you create a product so good that helps people so well, they can't help but tell their friends about it. And that is the best form of marketing because guess what? It's free.
So now you might be thinking, Ronnie, that's cool because you had your own experience and learned a lot. But what could I possibly help people with?
And that is what we need to uncover in this video. And it doesn't need to be some giant Albert Einstein idea. It could be something like, I lost 10 pounds and I know how to meal prep. Or another example, maybe you've gotten into pottery. You could talk about how to center, how to get tools, like basic things. Now, I know you're not some amazing great potter, but maybe you've been doing it for like 12 weeks and you know how to teach the absolute basics. So again, you don't need to be like a Pulitzer Prize winning Guinness Book of World Record Olympian at this topic. You just need to know like 10% more than who you're teaching. So I wouldn't go after teaching like advanced potters how to do some sort of advanced technique because I don't know how to do that. But you could help people get started. You can help people know what tools to get and how to get started and what clay and how to center it and all that kind of stuff because you're the beginner who's gone through those things and learned how to overcome them. So again, think about things that you've overcome for yourself. What have you learned? What do you know maybe 10% more than someone else out there? And then what I want you to do is make a list of like 10 to 20 different ideas. Set a timer for no longer than like 30 minutes, 60 minutes max. And then when you're done, I want you to cross out and really narrow it down to like your top 3 ideas. And then what you can do is just start researching and talking to those people and finding out like, is this an actual really painful problem that they have? Or maybe it's along the lines of that topic, but you just need to switch it slightly. Now, again, the key here in getting this done in like 10 minutes is setting time limits, setting timers, because I swear if another person comes to me and they're like, Ronnie,
I've been working on my ebook for like 3 years and I haven't finished it yet.
I mean, like, why? The amount of times I've created an ebook in a weekend is a lot of times because you just need to come up with the idea and literally with the help of designer.io, you can have it help you outline it, help you write the draft, and then all you need to do is go back through it. And guys, I've done this in a weekend before even all these fancy AI tools existed. So your problem is not that you can't get it done in that time frame, it's that you're not setting time limits and sticking to them. You're allowing yourself to procrastinate. And I'm telling you, please do not become that person that's like, this product is so good because I worked on it for 3 years. The longer you work on it does not necessarily make it better. In fact, what can happen is you'll never end up selling it. So what I want you to do is create it quickly so you can start to sell it quickly. And then you can quickly see, does this sell? Does this not sell? Worst case scenario, it doesn't sell and you tweak it until it does. Best case scenario, it does sell and you keep selling it, but you have to actually finish it and get it done. Now, if you want to learn my entire process through an in-depth, on-demand free workshop all about how to come up with your digital product idea, how to grow an audience for that digital product idea, how to use my framework to actually sell it passively, then check out my free on-demand workshop. It's in the first link in the description below this video. Okay, so now that you've come up with your topic for your ebook, the next thing you're going to want to do is write it out. Now, one of the #1 questions I get is, how long should it be? It needs to be as short and concise as possible, while getting your point across and teaching them how to overcome that pain point and getting them the result that you're promising them in that ebook. Like, let me ask you this question. Would you rather learn how to make more sales from 10 pages of reading or 1,000 pages of reading? 10 pages, right? Like, who wants a longer book? No one is going to pay more to have to do more work. So make it as short as possible. If you can get the result you're promising them in like 3 pages, they're going to be thrilled. They will actually pay you more to get the results in less time with the less work. Nobody's going to pay more to have more work. So here's what you need to do. Think of your topic, and then what I want you to do is write out bullet points. Ask yourself, where is the reader now when they're opening this PDF for the first time? And where do you want them to be at the end of the PDF? What is the result you want to get them? Then what you have to do is come up with things like, what are all the things I need to teach to get them from opening the PDF to getting the result with the PDF. That's going to become your index or your framework for your ebook. So then what you need to do is bullet all that out. Like step 1, you have to do this. Step 2, you have to do this. Step 3, step 4, step 5, whatever. Bullet point all that stuff. And once you have that outline, that's where the magic happens and you can crank this out in 10 minutes. So what you're going to do, you're going to go to designer.io. What it does is it lets you take your content you already have, maybe it's a blog post, an old document, even your YouTube script, and turn it into a professional looking ebook almost instantly. You can even paste in those bullet points you just made, and designer.io will help you structure it. It's got templates, drag and drop features, and it's designed to make this super fast. You can literally create a high quality ebook in like 10 minutes or less with this thing. No more copy, pasting page by page like the old days. This is how you make it happen fast. So once you have the ebook made, how do you actually sell it? Well, this video was about how to create it in like 10 minutes, but I'm gonna give you a broad overview of how to sell it. Now, there are so many different ways to sell things, but I'm going to share with you what works for me right now in today's market, not what used to work way back in the day, because there's things that worked way back in the day that don't work anymore. So what I do now is I grew my own following on YouTube. Back in the day, I grew with blogging. I have tested blogging. Blogging no longer works very well. So I wouldn't recommend blogging. And you can also qualify for the YouTube Partner Program. You can get paid to grow your following on YouTube. And that's what makes YouTube the bomb. It's absolutely amazing. So I highly recommend you growing your following on YouTube. Put out videos every single week consistently. Then you can mention your freebies in your video, just like I did with my free online workshop. What that does is it gives people something for free. They're going to put in their name and their email to get that free thing. And then they also get on your email list. Now, email lists convert 40 times more sales than social media alone. So growing an email list is absolutely amazing and I highly recommend. Email lists are not dead. They do make a ton of more sales. They're literally data upon data upon data online. If you don't want to trust me, even though I've been doing this for like years, it's been my full-time job, and I haven't had a 9-to-5 since 2019, it's fine, you know? I won't take it personally. And you can do what you want. But anyway, so you grow your following, you moved into your email list, and then what you want to do is create a checkout page for your ebook because you need a way for them to actually pay you, right? So for this, I use system.io. They have a totally free account. It's not a free trial. It's a free account for up to 2,000 email subscribers. And the link to that is listed down below in the description of this video. So with your free account, you can make your free checkout page using system.io and sell your ebook. And then you can set it up so that it automatically delivers the ebook to anyone who buys. So what are you going to do? Grow your following, move into your email subscribers, and then send them emails, and not just any emails, helpful emails. And then you can be like, P.S., if you want to learn more, buy my ebook here, and then link them to the checkout page. Do that over and over and over. Put out those YouTube videos weekly, mission your freebies, move into your email list, and put out at least one email per week directing them to your checkout page of your ebook. And boom, you're gonna make sales. Just like that. But okay, I know that's a super broad overview. And again, if you want a more in-depth training on all of this and even want to know how to sell it passively using my digital income starter kit, then be sure to check out the links down below this video. Plus, there's tons of other resources, things that'll help you get started based off where you might be right now. So now that you know how to create an ebook in like 10 minutes, you might be wondering how to actually sell that ebook in 24 hours or less. But how do you do that? Well, it all starts with watching this video popping up on your screen right now. Because when you pair what you just learned in this video with what you're going to learn in the next, it's going to make you way more powerful. Stay blessed.